Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we discuss about the regions of the world. So I had told you that the region is a area which shares some common characteristics. Characteristics may be physical, biological, or cultural. Essential understandings. Regions are areas of Earth's surface which share unifying characteristics. Our regions may be defined by physical or cultural characteristics. Regions labels may reflect changing in the people's perceptions. Why do geographers create and use regions as organizing concept? Number B. What are some examples of physical and cultural regions? Number C. What are some examples of regional labels that reflect change in the perceptions? Physical region. Physical regions may be the region which share the physical features in similarity with the physical features. The term physical in geography refer to landform, vegetation, climate. If the earth had no human, no city, no evidence of people at all, how could we divide the earth into different regions that share similarities? A few examples of physical regions are the Sahara Desert, the Taiga, rainforest, Great Plains, low countries. The Sahara Desert unifying characteristic is climate. The Taiga unifying characteristic climate and vegetation. The Taiga coniferous forest in Alaska taiga. Rainforest unifying the climate and vegetation. The Great Plains unifying characteristics, topography and vegetation. The Great Plains is a region that extends from Canada to Texas. This region is extremely flat and covered by grassland called prairies. The Low Countries unifying characteristics, topography. The Low Countries are Belgium and Netherlands in Europe. These countries are very flat and low in elevation. Part of the Netherlands are below the sea level. Cultural region. Cultural regions are based on unifying characteristics such as language, ethnicity, religion, economic condition and politics. Language region. Latin America, Spanish Francophone world. Countries in the world that have adopted French as language of commerce and politics. Most of these countries were colonized by France. Latin America. Green color shows the Spanish, orange Portugal, blue French or Creole. Francophone world. Ethnic region. Chinatown or ethnic neighborhood such as Little Havana, Kurdistan region in Middle East that encompasses a part of Iraq, Turkey, Syria and Iran where Kurdish people live. Chinatown. Many large cities around the world have neighborhood composed of different ethnic groups because people want to live near people who are similar. Chinatown are example of region based on culture. This is Kurdistan map. Region, religious region, Islamic regions, Buddhism regions. This is the Muslim world map. This is economic region. Wheat belt, European Union. Wheat belt. Political region like NATO, communist countries, African Union. Change in perception, the way we understood and the view region can change over time. Sun belt, rust belt. Sun belt is a region that stretches across the southern United States and the population in this region has grown over the few last decade for several reasons. Widespread use of air condition, people retire in the northern states and move south. Illegal immigration. This is the Sun Belt. Rust Belt. Rust Belt is a region in the northern eastern United States that used to be center of heavy industry in the United States such as automobile industry and steel production. Global competition has forced these industries to be either closed down or restructured, resulting in the loss of hundreds of thousands of jobs. A few cities in the Rust Belt are Detroit, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Cleveland. This is the Rust Belt map. Thank you. Hope you enjoy and learn the basic things of the regions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.